Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Career Saver. Today we are going to discuss about Angular ngIf directive. Okay, so without any delay, let's start. ngIf is a structural directive of Angular which allows us to add or remove DOM element based on some condition. In this tutorial, we will look at the syntax of ngIf. Also, we will show you how to use ngIf using some sample example. Also, we will learn how to use optional else clause and optional then clause using ng template. So let's start with some examples. What I'll do, I'll put some condition equal to true. I defined a component property, make it true, and in my template, so I'll put a div over here, star ngIf equal to condition. If this condition is true, then div will be there. ngIf directive example. Okay, we can put like this, ngIf directive example. So currently condition is true, so this will show in our browser. See? Okay, so let it make it as false, so that will go. Okay, so this is, if condition will false, this ngIf will remove the element from the DOM. Okay, so one more thing you need to remember, ngIf, if the condition satisfies, it doesn't hide the DOM element, it removes the entire element along with sub element. Suppose if you have some another paragraph over here, it will remove complete this block, not single ngIf, it will complete remove all the elements and sub elements. Okay, so next we can have ngIf else. Suppose if condition is satisfied, it will show, then we can have like this semicolon else, if this condition is like if else block. Okay, we can put a ng template over here. Okay, and give a reference else block here. Okay, put something like ng if else. Okay, ng if else example. If condition is true, then this will show, otherwise this will show. Let's go to browser and if else example. Okay, okay, next what we'll do, if we made it true, so this will satisfy, so this will show. Okay, this will not show. See, if directive. Okay, next we'll have ngIf then else. If condition is satisfied, then like this, then block. Okay, else block. So we'll have another block here. If condition is satisfied, then block will show, and the then block recommend and the else block. If condition is satisfied, then block will display this person, otherwise this person will display. Currently we will have condition is true, it will show this block, then block. Okay, then block example. Okay, if you made it like false like this, else block. Okay, so in this tutorial today we learned ng if, okay, ng else, ng if, then else. Okay, three things we learned today. In my next tutorial I will explain about ng class directive in detail. Okay, till then, thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.